Stop scrolling. This man saved 669 children and never told a single person. Watch till the end because this story will break you. His name was Nicholas Winton. He was 29 years old, a regular London stockbroker, when he heard Jewish children in Nazi-occupied Czechoslovakia were running out of time. No government sent him, no organization hired him. He just showed up, organized 9 trains, found British families to take the kids in, and got them out before the borders slammed shut forever. Then he went home, got married, never said a word, not to his wife, not to his friends, nobody. For 50 years, the secret sat in a scrapbook under his stairs. Then in 1988, a BBC show invited him into a studio audience without telling him why. And the host asked if anyone in the room owed their life to the man sitting among them. Every single person stood up. Winton looked around the room and his face just collapsed. That is what real heroism looks like. Quiet, patient, needing absolutely nothing in return.